All kinds of sick add-ons. Nice.
Find his kids.
The family man.
He had to go find the kids.
He has to pick up the kids. You got the kids back. Every lifted van meet has a favorite story. This is my favorite story for this lifted van meet. This is my buddy Jose.
What's up, man?
We were headed to Bombay Beach, and then there was like 5 or 6 of us, and then I see this van headed towards us. So I'm like, I think that's one of us because it's a lifted van. So I check my Instagram messages and see, where are you at? So I hand my phone over to my girlfriend to tell her to text them, hey, we're headed to Bombay Beach right now. But he got the message. He turned his van around and started following us. So tell me a story about your van, man. What's going on with this van, man? Just tell me the details. Tell me about your kids, awesome kids. Just tell us a little something about.
A couple van probably has less than a year ago. Bought it, stock. Went to action van, thanks to you. Cheaper, you know, budget, and nice. Got some rims for it, and a rack from Amazon. No, from fucking Facebook Marketplace. That's it, man. Stock seat, stock. Oh, and Larry got me a re-gear and a differential slip.
Oh, I did not know you got. Damn,
yeah, he got me that. So I got the lift.
You went all in.
Yeah. So first I got the lift, and then I didn't have bank. 2 months later, my girls are like, get it.
Oh, you got the ultimate lift.
Yeah.
Why did you go with the ultimate lift?
You?
Me, but I always recommend the base kit because it's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, but not much of a difference.
Okay, cool, man. You know what?
I like the way it looks.
That's a lot of people telling me.
I like the way it looks.
It looks just like the Well-Tec. We have a Well-Tec right there. So that's the Action Van Ultimate kit right there.
I got the.
And there's a Well-Tec right next to us. I'll interview Don here if he wants me to later. There you go.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. So yeah, man, that's cool. You know what I like about this hobby now? I've been talking about lifted vans for 13 years now, and a lot of times when people would get their vans lifted, they would just put bigger tires and be done.
I seen. So the 2 months I had it, I seen the difference where when I was going up hills, it will struggle to keep that on that one gear.
Yes.
Like,
yes, sir.
So I was like, no.
Yeah.
I told my girl, like, man, we need to get it. She's like,
you got the 5.4?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I get it, I'll pay for it. So we got it.
Yeah.
We're good.
A lot of people don't realize that. That's another topic about when you lift any truck, people lift it, put bigger tires, you lose all kinds of power, right?
Yeah, I felt it, man.
Yep. Because you had this stock.
Yeah.
And then
everything. Stock tires, stock everything. But I could still feel that big.
Yep. Yeah, so when you put the bigger tire, you realize the loss of power. So that's cool, man. So I'd notice a lot of these guys getting into this, they're getting re-geared. They're getting a bigger, when they get the bigger tires, they're getting re-geared, and the locker. You might as well get the locker, right?
Well, I got the
limited slip. Yeah. But you got some kind of traction aid. Something, yeah. So
I got something, and this is my first time ever coming out here.
I'm glad you came out, man.
Stock inside.
This is your first time getting this dirty.
Yeah.
I love it, man.
Yeah.
I love it, man.
Stock, use it everyday drive because of my kids.
And there's how many kids are in there, man?
I got 4 kids in there.
And 4 kids. You guys are gonna see that later. Let's let the kids sleep. We'll come back here a little later. But there you go. And how did the kids feel about this trip, buddy?
You tell me, man.
They look, man.
They were all over.
First thing they did when we got here is they went to this cave. Where's the cave at? Right there. And I love seeing it.
They got clay all over.
Yep. Oh yeah.
They got clay all over.
We won't wake up the kids, but look at that setup, man. He has everything back here. That's the first family man to come to the meet. Hey, you have a milestone in the meets. First family man to come over, man. Appreciate it, dude.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Okay, Jose's kids are awake now, playing out there somewhere. They slept in this. The bench seats. The kids have the bench seats and they love it. And he's tough. He sits in his seat here reclined. And they had the greatest time of their life. Hey, any rooftop tent companies? If you want to sponsor me, I'll give your rooftop tent to my buddy Jose here. And we'll do all the reviews you want. So, rooftop tent companies, reach out to me. Give his kids something cool You know, kids, it's like rooftop tent in a lifted van. That's like a treehouse height right there. We got a rooftop tent up here for the kids. There it is. So the kids slept here, here, and here. And they're having the best time of their life. There's the family, man. 4 kids. Yeah, buddy.